Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my top 7 Figma plugins that have seriously leveled up my design workflow. These are must-haves for any designer. Let's kick things off with Mobin. This plugin allows you to easily import user flows from popular apps like Spotify and Airbnb directly into Figma. It's a fantastic way to learn from successful designs and understand how different apps are structured. Next up, Content Reel. This plugin is a lifesaver when you need to quickly populate your designs with dummy content. With a few clicks, you can add placeholders for images, text, and even avatars. This helps you visualize the overall layout and user experience without getting bogged down in the details. For stunning visuals, Pixels is my go-to. This plugin gives you access to a curated collection of high-quality photos from talented photographers. You can even follow your favorite photographers and build your own library of images to use in your projects. Now, let's talk about Autoflow. This plugin simplifies the process of creating user flows within Figma. Simply select your screens, and Autoflow automatically connects them with smooth transitions. This saves you time and effort, while ensuring your user flows are visually appealing and easy to understand. Accessibility is crucial. That's where Stark comes in. This plugin helps you check your designs for accessibility issues, such as color contrast and font readability. It's a valuable tool for ensuring your designs are inclusive and usable by everyone. For a wide range of icons, Material Design Icons is a must-have. This plugin provides access to a vast library of icons in various styles, including filled, outlined, and rounded. It also integrates with Icons 8, giving you even more options to choose from. Finally, let's talk illustrations. Illustrations bring you a curated collection of beautiful illustrations from various artists, including Open Peeps. This saves you time searching for and downloading illustrations from different websites, allowing you to quickly add visual interest to your designs. These are just a few of the many amazing Figma plugins that can significantly enhance your design workflow. I encourage you to explore and experiment to find the tools that best suit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. See you next time.